Hello, my name is Patrick Hoxtebach, and today we are going to talk about vanishing points, how they are used in portrait drawing. First, what are vanishing points? So when you create a portrait, maybe you're creating a face, like let's draw a fast face. And the vanishing points is when you find the lines in the face of a human, like where the eyebrows are, or the line of the eyes, like here. The line of the nose, like this line, or the line of the mouth. All these lines are normally in a face, they are parallel lines, and they all meet, and people are not looking straight at the camera. They all meet somewhere in a vanishing point. For instance, if they are looking towards the right, the vanishing point is somewhere at the right. Let's say here. You will see that all the lines in the face normally will meet at this point here, and you can use this to create more depth in your drawing. More depth. Excuse me for my accents. I have a Dutch accent and I can't pronounce that very good. It sounds that you are dead, but it's not really the case. So here is someone looking at the more at the right. The head is more turned to the right, and the vanishing point is then on the right side. Of course, if you are looking at the left, let's put a vanishing point here at the left, here somewhere, left. Put a head here. Let's draw some kinds of lines to the left. You see all these lines. This you can use to draw the eyebrows on this line, because all these lines in a face are normally parallel, and they will all meet at some point. There's a line of the nose. You should follow this line towards the vanishing point. And line of the mouth. This is a very fast technique that gives you a lot of 3D in your drawing, and we can use this for our portraits. So normally people don't associate these vanishing points with drawing portraits, but it really helps to add this little extra into your portraits. There are many lines that are parallel. So I already showed the lines of the eyebrows, but the eyebrows are the eyes. This is one line. The line on the nose, the line of the mouth. All these lines are parallel, and they will meet in a vanishing point when the head is turned a bit. And also there are other lines. Like when you look at the side of a human head. Let's draw it very fast. And mouth and chin. The ear is somewhere here. The top of the eyebrows and the top of the ear. Oh, it's a bit too small. The top of the below part of the nose and the tip of the ear. These are parallel lines. So when you look at a portrait, also these lines will meet somewhere in a vanishing point. I don't know where in this drawing, but it will be a bit further away. But you will see that also these lines move a bit to a vanishing point. This is not very often used. It's more you can more easily see it in this type of of the line of the mouth, the nose, and the eyes and the eyebrows. And again, you only see these lines when people are looking away from the camera. So if people are looking straight at the camera, like this drawing here, this sketch, they are all parallel. Happy drawing!